Now, we could not go down the 90s memory lane without throwing to some dance moves in the mix. So Sparta Expression will be dancing back into the 90s with us. Talia, thank you so much for doing this. Look at her face.
Look proud, you know. Sparta, what's popping?
What's going on?
Yeah.
All right. First one.
So,
Save us from
let's
ourselves.
start from the waistline.
Uh-huh.
We have soft
Which one we doing? Which one we doing?
Bogle.
Bogle.
Yeah.
All right.
So soft knees, waistline. All right?
Waistline.
Left hand, here.
Right. No, we'll shut up my left hand.
So left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. All right? So we keep this for 8 counts. Then we roll the left shoulder back. 1,
Oh, all right. Me did go first.
3,
All right.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right?
Put
So
it in the
from the
hand,
waist,
yeah.
for
Yeah,
8
when I
counts. So we
reach
go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Roll the shoulders now. 1, 2, 3,
8.
4,
8.
5,
8.
6,
8.
7.
8.
All right, so now, here are the arms in the air and the same waistline movement. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? So that's a combination.
Yeah.
So from start, this is the warm up, shoulder, then arms. And they are free arms. You don't move them like that, you just keep it.
Oh, so Bogle is not this?
No, it's not this.
So where we get this from? That's what we know.
This is our American version, you know?
I always thought Bogle was this, because we've been doing this all our lives.
It's free arms.
It's free arms.
Yeah. All right? So his body flows and the arms are just in the air.
I learned it.
All
We're
right.
going to try.
Ready?
Uh-huh.
So we go.
Ready.
5, 6, 7. All right? Warm up. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Roll. 1 and 2 and 3. Up with the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8.
From
Can't
top.
talk to me.
Yeah.
All right.
So that's a flow. All right. So remember.
Ready again.
Ready. Ready.
Here we
Ready.
go.
Ready.
Up again. 1, 2, 3. All right. This is the warm up bounce.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Roll. 2, 3. Up with the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Think you can do this? On the bar. We go.
What's up?
Rock the shoulders. And lean back.
Me.
We are the
Pass me
Sparta.
along.
So it's a lean back.
Sparta, you left me. No.
All right. All right. So,
All right, that's a
right
Bogle.
arm.
Yeah.
Right arm go up. 1, 2, 3. Change. 1, 2, 3. Change. 1, 2, 3.
Three, we gone too fast.
Change. 1, 2, 3. Change.
All right.
All right. So it's 4 count on each side.
All right.
All right. So we start from the right. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Right side. 1, 2, 3. Change. 1, 2,
Oh, okay.
3. Change.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Change.
Ah.
1, 2, 3. Keep it. And 1, 2, 3. Change. 1, 2, 3. Change. 1, 2, 3. Change. 1, 2, 3. Change. All right.
All right.
So
Yeah.
I can dance, but
So,
everybody can dance.
we're going
Yeah.
All right.
around the world.
Whoa.
Yeah? But this time, the right foot goes back. Back,
Which am I right? Okay. My feet
Step.
keeps getting twisted.
back.
My feet says.
So the right foot is the one who turns. 1, set. 1, set. 1, set. 1,
I feel retarded.
set.
All right.
So that's the trick to go around.
Okay.
So your right foot does the turn, and then you set.
Yeah, ready.
All right? So we try that?
Yeah.
5, 6, 7. 1, set. 1, set. One set. One set. One set. One set.
Okay.
One set. 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 One set.
Yeah.
All right, we here.
You never catch that one there.
We here.
All right.
Up. All right, we'll change it. Right. All right, keep it. Watch your hand now, so you go.
Hey. Hey. Hold them. Hold them.
All right.
Yeah.
So that one is called back to basic.
Okay.
All right. Most people call this around the world, but it's called World Series.
World Series.
All right.
All right.
Okay.
So all of this sequence, bogo move.
It's a routine. Oh, that's how
Yeah.
that
All of this is a
everything
part
does
of
it a while
bogo?
ago.
Yes.
Really?
All of them are bogo moves.
We've been scammed.
That's bogo move.
We've been scammed. It's a whole routine.
It's coming like an exam.
I know, right?
Yeah, it's a flow. So when you
Alright.
finish, you're up. That's where you go around.
Ah.
And then when you finish around, that's where you go lava. Yeah?
Okay. Yeah.
Bam, bam. And then you go basic. Now you go. Bam, 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 bam.
With a little practice, I feel like I'll get it perfectly.
All right. And then after that, you know, we go back to the record.
All right.
So this one is for last. All right?
Yeah.
All right. So here is it. 4. Yeah?
Are we doing the whole routine?
The whole routine,
Oh,
I do that?
God.
Shoulders,
Oh dear.
hands,
All right.
round.
Yeah.
When you complete the turn, that's where we go lava.
All right.
All right.
All right.
Ready.
5, 6, 5. All right. Warm up. Warm up. Warm up. All right. Ready? Here we go. All right. All right. Hold it back now. Back. 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 Hands in the air. Back. Back. Back.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Stop. Stop. Going around now.
Okay.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yeah.
7. We go lava now. Back. 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 Back.
Yeah.
Go basic now. So we go.
Yeah.
Back. 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 Back.
Can't talk to me.
Yeah.
Look here. On the
Right.
On the clap me. Clap me. Pastor, thank you so much for coming. With a few more tries, I feel like I got it.
Okay.
We perfected.
Okay. Oh my
Anyways,
God.
guys, Deidre and I head into the kitchen after the break. Don't go anywhere.